Write down heading problems on divergent and curl of a vector. So this is with respect to vector only. Okay, so take down the first problem. If f equals 2xy cube 2xy cube z power 4 I cap plus 3x square y square z power 4 j cap plus 4x square y cube 4x square y cube z cube k cap. If f is equal to, so one vector it is given. So find del dot f, nothing but div f. This is the first question, del dot f, comma. Second question, curl f. Find div f and curl f. Okay, they may ask in the word form also. Instead of del dot f, they may ask div f, and second one also curl f. Okay, curl the verb. Now the solution. First, consider the vector given f equals 2xy cube z power 4 I cap plus 3x square y square z power 4 j cap plus 4x square y cube z cube k cap. Okay, now see, for your reference for this problem, I will write this is actually we will take it as f1, this is f2, and this is f3. So component of three vectors, the component of the vector, that is ijk, coefficient of ijk, that we will consider as f1, f2, and f3. Okay, first write the formula. We know that del dot f equals dou f1 by dou x plus no ijk. Okay, dou f2 divided by dou y plus dou f3 divided by dou z. Just you have to differentiate first component with respect to x, second component with respect to y, third component with respect to z. Okay, now without ijk, because it is a dot product, you should be very careful. Now separate, substitute separately dou by dou x of s. What is f1? 2x y cube z power 4 plus dou by dou y of 3x square y square z power 4 plus dou by dou z of 4x square y cube z cube. Yes. Now differentiate partially. This is del dot f, what you will get, that is the final. Yes, with respect to x. So with respect to x, differentiate only x, remaining all constant because all term which is with product only. Yes, differentiate.
Two y cube set 4.
Yes, what is the differentiation? First one, 2y cube
Z power 4.
2y cube z power 4 plus with respect to y square differentiation. Here only x differentiation is 1 with respect to x. Now y square differentiation is 2y. Is it right? So 2 3 is a 6. 2 3 is a 6
square y z power 4.
Yes, 6x square y z power 4. Okay, y square differentiation is 2y. See, directly I'm writing no by multiplying, and I'm writing like one order x, y, z. Okay. So if you feel it is difficult to write in one step, you can take one more step. Plus, with respect to z, you have to differentiate only z cube. Z cube differentiation is 3z square. Okay. That 3 into 4 is 12 x square y cube z square. Okay, this is divergent. See, if this is a question paper problem. Okay, so this is for 6 marks. So div f, if you calculate, you will get 3 marks. Curl f, 3 marks. So like that, we will split the marks. So in mathematics, whatever you know the concepts, even though if you don't know the complete answer, you attend the question, you write whatever you know, general formula. So like that, we will give some at least 1 or 2 marks or 3 marks. 50% of marks you can score. So your total marks will be increased. Yes, this is the solution for first one. Okay. Sorry, here. Yes. Similarly, second one. We know that curl f del cross f equals determinant I, j, k, component of first vector, then component of, I, j, k is the first row. Now component of first vector is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And I will write for this problem like f1, f2, f3. For next problems, you can write directly. You can substitute what is f1, f2, f3. Okay, so you can avoid this step. Now, determinant also. Don't draw both the lines at a time, and don't restrict okay within that, because that equations whatever the f1 f2, they may be a lengthy. Okay, so leave some space, and I will write like this: dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And now what is the first component? 2x y cube z power 4. Second component x square y square z power 4. And third component 4x square y cube z cube. Correct? Huh? And now you draw the second line like this. Yes. So one more step we will take. This is 3 cross 3 determinant. Okay. So 3 cross 3 determinant nothing but this always plus, this is minus, and this is plus. Okay. So I cap into first one. I cap into, see, particular row. Sorry, particular row is first row. That is understood. Particular column you neglect. You will get these 4 terms as a 2 cross 2 determinant. So write one more step. Dou by dou y of 4x square y cube z cube, and minus formula always minus the product of these two and product of these two. So while multiplying the second term, it is minus dou by dou z of 3x square y square z power 4. Okay, so like this. Then minus j cap into yes, particular column you leave it, on particular row you will get dou by dou x of 4x square. So these are the terms. Okay, 4x square y cube z cube minus dou by dou z of 2xy cube z power 4, and the last one plus k cap into so these 4 terms now dou by dou x of 3x square y square z power 4 minus dou y of 2xy cube z power 4. Yes. Differentiate I cap into, yes. First one with respect to y. You have to differentiate this y cube, 3y square. You will get 12 x square y square z cube. This is the first term minus. Now z you have to differentiate z power 4. Z power 4 is 4z cube. 4 3 z 12 x square y square z cube. This is first one. Minus j into with respect to x. X square differentiation is 2x. So 2 4s are 8 x y cube z cube minus with respect to z. You have to differentiate only z power 4. That is 4z cube. 4 2s are 8 x y cube and z cube. Okay. And last one plus k cap into with respect to x. X square differentiation is 2x. You will get 6x y square z power 4 minus with respect to y cube differentiation is 3y square, 3 2 is a 6 xy square z power 4. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So finally what you will get?
0.
Yes.
0.
It is all the term get cancelled. You will get 0 I cap, 0 j cap and 0 k cap, or simply curl f equals 0. This is the answer. Okay. 0 nothing but it is a vector only. Okay. 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap you can write. Either plus or minus whatever. Because it is a 0 we will write. It is also a vector only. And we have the meaning for this. If the answer, especially if the answer comes 0, particularly 0, divergent and curl comes 0 means we have a different meaning and means application, and that we will solve another problem. Same problem will repeat in the next concept. Okay. Yes. Tigger, did you understand to calculate the divergent and curl?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll take the next problem. Yes. Yes. Take down. If phi equals second problem. If phi equals x square plus y square plus z square. So this is also question paper problem. X square plus y square plus z square and f equals x square I cap plus y square j cap plus z square k cap. This is simple vector. It is given compared to the previous problem. Find del phi, del dot f and del cross f. Okay, so what we have to calculate? What is first one? Yes, first one is gradient. Gradient only for phi. Okay, only for the scalar. And this divergent and curl, it is for the vector. F is given, no? So first component, second component, third component. Take down solution. Given phi equals x square plus y square plus z square. So don't be confused. only one term you have to differentiate with respect to x and the second with respect to y. That is only for divergent, and gradient you have to differentiate complete. First write the formula. We know that grad phi equals dou phi by dou x I cap plus, it is a vector, dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. Okay, so better you substitute because it is a combination of both gradient, divergent and curl. We will substitute phi now here. You can differentiate directly also. So better you substitute x square plus y square plus z square. See, you have to differentiate all three. Either it is zero or variable, or you have to consider that secondary, but you have to differentiate all three. Plus dou y of x square plus y square plus z square plus dou z of, sorry, I cap j cap dou z of x square plus y square plus z square k cap. So you will get what is grad phi with respect to x. 2x, only x square you have to differentiate, remaining two terms become 0. So 2x I cap plus, similarly second with respect to y, you have to differentiate only y square. So remaining becomes 0. So 2y j cap plus 2z k cap. So this is the solution of first one, grad phi. See, this is a question paper problem for 6 marks because it is given simple equations. Even divergent as well as curl also you will get easily. Okay, next, given write down the vector f equals, given f equals x square I cap plus y square j cap plus z square k cap. See, if you want, you can denote this as f1, f2, f3, y square, no, sorry, f1, f2, f3 components, and you can substitute, you can differentiate. Otherwise, write the formula. I will show in another way also. We know that del dot f equals, del dot f equals dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Okay, so what is f1, f2, f3? First component, second component, third component. Okay, better okay, we will substitute. We will follow the same procedure. F1 is x square plus dou by dou y of f2 is y square plus dou by dou z of f3 is z square. See, with some confusion also, you should not write ijk in divergent. It is a dot product. Okay, so the final answer is div f equals 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Okay, this is div f. Now curl f. Again, we know that curl f equals determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3, or you can substitute what is f1, f2, f3 directly. So that gives I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. F1 is x square, then y square and z square. So simple terms here. Yes, differentiate means simplify the 3 cross 3 determinant. So as usual, this is plus, minus and plus. So I cap into, yeah. See, you can directly differentiate. No, see what is the dou by dou y of z square? You can write like this directly. What is dou by dou y of z square?
2z.
Dou by dou y.
0. 0.
0. Otherwise, sorry, see, if you have confusion, you write like this, dou by dou y of z square. Okay, then you write the answer. With respect to y, I am differentiating z square. With respect to y, z is constant. It is 0. I will write directly like this. You also minus dou by dou z of y square is also 0. Like this. Minus j cap into particular column you neglect and particular row. Dou by dou x of z square is 0 minus dou by dou z of x square is also 0 plus k cap into k means particular column, that is third column, and first row if you neglect. Dou by dou x of y square is 0 minus dou by dou y of x square is also 0. So finally curl f equals 0. See, if you want, you can write one more step. I did actually directly. If you have any confusion, you can take one more step. If you not understand, you can ask. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Shall I move to the next problem?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take the third problem. If f equals xy square I cap plus 2x square yz cap 2x square yz k cap, sorry, j cap, this is j cap, minus 3y square z k cap. I'll repeat. F equals xy square I cap x into y square I cap plus 2x square y into z. Here some y power, 1 minute, 2x square y into z, correct, minus 3y square z k cap. Find div f curl f. Question, find div f, you write in a symbol in the word form. So they may ask like this also. Div f, comma, curl f at 2, 1, 1. So some point is given. For the final answer, you have to put x equals 2, y equals 1, and z equals 1. Yes, take down solution given f equals xy square I cap plus 2x square yz k cap, sorry, j cap minus 3y square z k cap. Okay, so this is f1, f2, and f3. So if you want, you can denote like this. Okay, it will be easy. f1, f2, and f3. Okay, just only to recognize the components. Yes, write the formula. We know that div f. So question you write as it is. Div f can be also denoted as del dot f, that is equal to dou f1 by dou x. Very simple. First component with respect to x, no I cap, plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Okay, just only particular component you have to differentiate with respect to x, y, z. Now dou by dou x of, yes, f1 xy square plus dou by dou y of 2x square yz plus dou by dou z of minus, see here the negative sign is there, minus 3y square z. So now what is the differentiation? With respect to x, you will get y square first term, second term with respect to y become 1. 2x square z, and this is plus into minus is minus with respect to z 3y square. So this is del dot f. Now substitute the values. It is given at x equals 2, y equals 1, and z equals 1. What is div f? Anyone? It is 1 square plus 2
6.
into 4 into 1 minus 3 into 1. What is the answer? 8, 9, 6. Okay. Okay. Div f equal to 6. Now curl f. We know that curl f equals del cross f, or write the in word form also. Curl f equals determinant of I j k by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, and components you can write directly x y square first component, 2 x square yz second component, and minus 3 y square z third component. Okay. Yes. Now this is equal to I cap into, as usual, this is plus minus plus I cap into dou by dou y of dou by dou y of. So directly you can differentiate, otherwise you can substitute. See, simple components in third row means simple terms means you can differentiate directly. So let it be, I will take one more step. Dou by dou y of minus 3y square z. See, if you are familiar and if you feel it is simple, you can differentiate directly means you can go. You can avoid this step, no problem. Minus dou by dou z of 2x square yz. This is the first one. Minus j cap into. These are the four, no? Dou by dou x of. This particular row, particular column, you neglect it. Okay. You just delete in your mind, and remaining you will get 4 terms as a 2 cross 2 determinant. Dou by dou x of minus 3y square, 3y square z, minus dou by dou z of this xy square, plus k cap into dou by dou x of this term, dou by dou x of 2x square yz, minus dou by dou y of this xy square. Yes, differentiate. You will get I cap into, yes, first one, minus with respect to y square differentiation is 2y. You will get minus 6 yz, and here minus differentiation of this term with respect to z is 1, 2x square y. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Minus j cap into with respect to x, no x here. Okay, you can see here no x, all term is a constant, therefore the differentiation is 0. Minus, similarly this is with respect to z, there is no z here, so therefore this is also 0. So minus j component vanishes, plus k into with respect to x square differentiation is 2x, so 2 to the 4x yz, minus, now with respect to y square differentiation is 2y, so 2xy. So let it be. So now at x equals 2, y equals 1, and z equals 1. Is it right? The numbers 2, 1, 1. So substitute what is curl f. Curl f equals, yes. What you will get the first one? Minus 6 into yz is minus 6, no? This is
Yes.
minus 6 minus x square is 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. I cap. This is 0. Okay, no need to write j. And here plus 4 into x into y into z. 4 2 is 8 minus 2xy. 2 2 is 4. So final answer.
14 I
-14
yes,
I cap
minus 14
4K
I
cap.
cap plus 4K cap.
This is k cap. Okay. Plus 4k cap. Is it right? Finally, it will be vector only. No j.